Happy Thursday, everyone. It's Weather for Weather Geeks time, my online in-depth video that allows me to show you a lot of stuff that I can't show you on the TV side. I'm going to keep this fairly short today. I'm battling a bit of a cold, so I don't want to ramble on forever, but it was a cold morning this morning. These were the minimum temperatures this morning across the valley. I'll let the data reload here. We'll get a quick visualization as to what the numbers looked like. It was 3 down in Columbiana, a 4 in Boardman, a 5 up towards Howland and Warren, a 4 in Cortland, 2 Newton Falls, and over in Mercer County, a 2-degree reading there north of I-80. I don't see a whole lot. In fact, I don't see any below 0 readings. That may change tomorrow morning, especially if the sky clears enough tonight. We could be a couple of degrees below 0 in a lot of places tomorrow morning. As far as this afternoon's weather, I'm recording this at about 2:18 p.m. We've had a few flurries out there, very light snow, not even being picked up on the radar for the most part. I'll zoom back in here to the Youngstown area. The Pittsburgh radar is picking up some of these light echoes. You're going to see some snowflakes this afternoon. It was sunnier earlier today than it is now, and the clouds kind of hang tough through a lot of the afternoon. We'll call it variably cloudy. Sometimes it'll be a little bit sunnier than other times. Temperatures look like this. It's around 20 degrees this afternoon. The wind chill is down in the single digits, so there is just enough of a breeze to make the wind noticeable. Take a quick perusal at the rest of the country this afternoon, and we've got cold air locked in place from the Rockies all the way to the east. Check out those temperatures out in the front range of the Rockies, minus 15, minus 12 in a lot of places. We've also got, as the data reloads, some snow all the way down into parts of the deep south today. Mississippi, Arkansas, they had a coating or a half an inch of snow in Dallas earlier today. So this is not like the traffic clogging nightmare snow that they had in Atlanta and Birmingham a week and a half ago, but it is snowing pretty far to the south this afternoon. All right, let's talk about the future, and what we've got going on as we head towards the weekend is not much through Friday. We're going to be high and dry, aside from a flurry, for the rest of the day today. Friday should feature a mixed bag of clouds and sun. The surface map in the afternoon will show high pressure centered just to our west, keeping fair skies in place. We'll head into the weekend, and a weak disturbance will track our way. This looks like a more and more like an afternoon event on Saturday, and it's, not much of an event. This is real light snow pushing in from the southwest, and I'll show you some snow accumulation estimates in just a second, but this is really going to be no big deal. You could probably broom this kind of snow off. Heading into Sunday, there'll be another disturbance that tries to move through, and again, you'll see some light greens here on the computer model, indicative of light snow, but nothing more than that. It was several days ago that there were, rumors and indications that there would be a big storm at the end of the weekend in the east, possibly even here. It's just not going to materialize, and be careful, if you've watched this video lately, you've heard me preach a couple of times, be careful where you get your information from. If you're a Facebook fan of some local weather websites, check out their credentials, because, anybody can get a Facebook page these days and slap a, official-looking, weather authority sign on it and call themselves a weather authority and a real important source for weather, but truth be told, a lot of those sources are not very good. They're run by inexperienced people with no pedigree in meteorology, and they're just looking for likes and clicks, and they like to hype things up and talk about rumors of storms, and, well, you're not going to get that here, and so I just advise you to be careful where you get your information from. All right. Back off my soapbox. Sunday, after a little bit of snow, Sunday night we're going to clear things out, and early next week, high pressure is going to be over the east, and with a high pressure dome nearby, I think the sky is going to be clear at night, and that's a recipe for some cold nights. Early next week, we'll probably start below 0 a couple of times next week. Let's talk about that weekend snow, though. Here's the GFS model snow accumulation forecast for Saturday. Just not much here. A couple of tenths of an inch. Coating, maybe we'll get a half an inch. This will be the kind of snow that, you probably broom off. Now, of course, we've already got that glacier sitting on your driveway and your sidewalks right now, so, this is just going to sit on top of that. So you're not going to completely get rid of whatever's left on your driveway, your sidewalk, this weekend, but this fresh snow, you'll probably just be able to broom off. It'll be light and fluffy. Then on Sunday, maybe we get another few tenths. This is the total snow from now to Sunday evening, according to the GFS, and the total from now to then's up to an inch. So, we get a few tenths on Saturday, we get a few more tenths on Sunday, and overall, according to the GFS, when you add it all up, we might get an inch of snow this weekend. European model, Saturday snow, again, couple of tenths. Sunday snow. Sunday looks a little beefier on the European model. It suggests on Sunday we could get up to an inch worth of snow out of this. So the bottom line for the weekend is no big storms, some nuisance snow. Both systems, Saturday and Sunday, can give us fresh coatings, can make untreated surfaces a little slick, but not a big accumulation whatsoever. We're looking for signs of warmth. When's winter ever going to let up? We don't see it anytime real soon, although there are increasing indications that the second half of February will be a little less harsh. But this is the period from the 11th through the 21st, so straddling right in the middle of February. Temperature anomalies here. There's a warm spot up in eastern Canada, warm spot in the southwest, but cooler than average looks to be the tone here from the Midwest right through the Ohio Valley. It doesn't look, enormously far from average. It doesn't look like a real harsh cold snap, but the middle of the month is likely most of the time to be below average once again. All right, that's weather for Weather Geeks on this Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, you can catch my forecast on the TV side tonight on 21 News at 6 and 11.